Hey guys, I am Veer and today I'm going to show you how to make a greeting card. So guys, I am using some decorative tape, stickers, color stamps, glue and some glitter pens. I am using some IVC, paper punch and the cuttle bug. You will need a plain sheet, fold it equally and draw some vertical lines like this. So guys, I will start these vertical lines. Now fold these vertical lines and turn it on the other side. Now straighten the folds. Pull these out. So guys, it looks like a 3D card. Now let's take another sheet. Fold it equally and take the glue and put it on the corners. So this is how it will look like. So guys, I am using some glitter paper to make some miniatures. So guys, I have made some caps and gifts by using the glitter paper. Take the gifts and paste it here. I am using these happy birthday ribbons. So guys, I am using this paper punch to make some balloons. So guys, I have used some colorful paper to make this balloon. So guys, I am using cuttle bug now. Cuttle bug is a paper embossing machine. I have many stencils, but I am using the birthday card stencil. Put the paper inside the stencil. And put on the bee and put the another bee on it. Open the cuttle bug. Put it here. So this is how it looks like. Now I am pasting this on the card. I have made this out with the paper. So guys, the card looks like this. I have made some other cards. This is the congratulations card. This is the all the best card. And this is my favorite winter season card. So guys, hope you like the video. If you like the video, smash the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Bye guys.